is a Frosty Fuse air conditioner review. Frosty Fuse air conditioner has already an air cooler for 2025 new upgrade. It has a 3 speeds adjustable and missing fan for multi-angle wind direction adjustment with night light function. As you can see, you can avail it in any online shop that you have. Also, it has 3 colors. There is a green that costs $31.66, for pink that costs $31.88, and for white that also costs $31.88. As you can see, you can just go ahead and go to Walmart, Amazon, or any online shop that you have or accessible on your end, and you can just go ahead and avail it. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page, and now you can see that it is a free shipping on the October 2025. Now, for the key item features, as you can see, it is a fast cooling and water-enhanced airflow that can fill up to 300 ml tank and enjoy a noticeable temperature drop in seconds. You can just go ahead and add cold water for even greater cooling efficiency. And there is no filters and no fuse and energy-saving design. So if you want a substitute for air conditioner and more cheaper, Fuse Air is the right one for you.